Yenya Abranti on young Fibu if you have.
If you're feeling love,
Dear Jagra,
breakfast,
walk to Tonano. Minim so no safari HR Nana.
faking
The Oniaka doing so no ya so yo.
someone catch you. I'm on distance, catch us money.
Abra. Now boy.
Ibiaboko.
Okay. But you body na etiefo nyina won pa gen dey ko.
Mimi fantini baba sisi mpese misua krapim tree. Eti me try say me the be frafra.
Okay.
Eti se me ke krapim kakra na maka fantini so kakra dem man no ye.
Okay.
Me amiti femi Alex Isel.
Alex Isel.
Show number 1 radio.
Isel no gasa ya bofudin.
You.
Anti fantifo no to bofudin bi o.
But you.
Okay. Ya mo akwa baba BH radio. Program ya otiso yi okasem. Okay. Ya interviews ene wo adwuma bi a opese wo bo model. Opese promote ya ene ya ne the manager by police amaya ti asese ene na wo show no so. Ya na papa na efie tirem
Nyamia do bi bia.
No so tirem.
Safari fo nyina chobia mefa ahome so na me de chia emo de pa ama eye adwuma nyina akofa by Mr. Samuel Aferi Date aina yefeno Mr. Aferi ono no ye kofa by eye Safari Valley Resort aye BP mu ekrapem wo hwen aye wo Okre district. Yes, and so another one I know so ada IFN Aqua Safari.
Okay.
Yes, and so back why I know see a residential.
Show number 1 radio.
Or Trazako IFN Safari Homes. Eti ebusian ni kaka yekoye nimsa.
Anti o kasa munira no. I had that of you by.
Debbie.
Anti ekwapim had now.
Ekwapim had.
Oh, nice one. Ya twafuma out on kwem.
But you.
Wo be ka ho waka je wo ka se obi Alex Isel on hina
Eti yeka obi Alex Isel me ameni me HR professional.
Okay.
Me started my HR profession almost about 13 years ago.
Okay. I mean say who show school as we hin and how we we hin.
Okay, so me have all my elementary schools, me was a basic school, GSS, SS, Bibia Ghana, Hanim say. And then we in call University of Ghana, Legon.
Okay.
After my first degree in Midmark, then I traveled to Korea to Hona because I have my master's in human resources. And then from there, I also back to Ifie because Nyansa in DD, Unya, what the Kopwa a year, Afofraka, Wofi. So from there, I've been working with quite a number of companies, and Safari Valley Resort has been one of my my mother companies.
Okay. And you see, I'm Miss House. You say when you are doing, then I found out say Urukuri. You say was Safari, all right, but when you are doing, then I found out say Urukuri.
So. Me question I see na opa chese my vision as a person. My vision is there so.
Okay. Can we change?
Yes, vision is there so. But before I may begin, I want to ask: do you know your duties or your rights as an employee? Say me fan say BHG radio afawa uye juma kama. Do you know your duties or your rights? Send me your labor law section 8 and 9 states the rights and the duties and rights of the employee. How well do you know it? What I say?
Yeah.
A lot of people are working and they don't know their rights and then their duties. So one of my vision as an HR professional or HR practitioner is to educate people your rights as an employee. Now, so who your rights as an employee now, you know what to do and you know what is expected of you. And see, my employer too much of stress and a bit of time.
Okay.
So one of my vision is to practice professional HR. There are a lot of HR professionals in Ghana. but we have certified and we have professional.
Okay.
Yes, you can be both certified and professional. You can be professional, not certified. You can be certified and not professional.
Okay.
But we and me as a professional, we I intend to do both professional HR
PHG Radio.
people.
Okay. Next question I come out here. Obeka bibi kakra. Say ekuapem ya mo work. Mo buye branch work. Say na odi kan no bi wada. Ebi wo le gonwo. Ekuapem ya na oye HR no.
You.
Yeah. Nti e be say o ka bibi kakra. For Safari Value Resource e wo ekuapem ya. Ka bibi kakra chere. Na obi tie o se me ya. Na so bi re hwa. Akwa ngo be fa so no so betimi aba ho yo.
Okay, so Medasi once again. Your Safari Valley Resort a yedwumeko yabi Okre District.
Okay.
Krapem lands.
Okay.
We are born from the Safari Group. It's the Safari Group no a number of companies. We are born Aqua Safari, Iwo Ada, and Safari Valley Resorts, Iwo Krapem Okre. And then we have Safari Homes and other businesses are home.
Okay.
Yes. Now you need to who say we are promoting wildlife tourism.
Oh, okay.
Wildlife tourism. We are combining wildlife tourism and then the traditional hospitality itself. Etuba Safari Valley Resort, our vision depicts what we do.
Mm-hmm.
We have eco tourism activities,
Okay.
wildlife tour.
Hey,
Experiential wildlife tour.
Show number one radio.
About some animals like zebra,
Okay.
wallaby.
Okay.
You will maybe to say emu. You will maybe to say dikes. You will maybe to say Pantagruel marals.
Okay.
You will maybe to say peacocks. You will maybe say silky
Show
chickens.
number one radio.
You will maybe to say ducks. Ducks ni you will maybe
Oh, okay.
you will maybe say peacocks. So
Now,
you will say
wildlife, mountain tiger, lion, and we be my way.
well, almost say in you can't say wildlife. Could be not dream. Lions and tigers.
More elephants.
At the moment,
Show
you
number
need
one
tigers,
radio.
Okay.
you need elephants. But
PHG
all these
Radio.
are our wildlife.
Show number one
Your
radio.
body, water beasts. These are animals living in their natural
So I want
habitats.
to go near now. We are not kidding.
Nitridinity.
Or to them, also, yeah, we are all
What to say?
What to say?
You. What to say? What to say? Name trees. The mechanism. What to say? Name tree. But oh yeah, I see remove name tree.
Oh, okay.
You. And they work in family. So you see them working maybe in 2, 3s, and they have a lot of characteristics. I'm going to say, you're going to say morals. One feature I want morals of one.
Messi, and I said, okay, no. Well, Captain, when two cameras now, no watching any more. You choose which machine which you more cry. Said the bear, I shall force you at you also, but benefit if I interview. Yeah.
Okay. Tridinity, and they are skipping Kaka.
Okay.
Yes, they.
Police are not just like you know my name.
They did a pentagram moral.
Oh, okay.
One characteristic abundance one can say they work in pairs,
Oh, okay.
male and female.
Oh, okay.
And the only way they identify themselves is the male urinates on the female urinates on the male. And they stay like that. That's how they are able to identify their partners. So Bakua, seven fans of Badua, the Bema no on floor baby. Bill.
I was the one who's been
Come to Mom's Bill.
Hey, now come on, sound in your yes. Somewhere there, any manager with my phone request went to class and not yet to have the team never had was so to my you measure some way.
Oh, I couldn't need the home a BHJ radio, BHD
Show number
family
one radio.
from Kids Talent Hand.
Do the answer of the producer no because I know die. I said, Sans okay, let's see a real baby. Abuya, Nehoka Funuya, often on cover you. Wonderful. Okay, yeah, just
Show number one radio.
pick up so being
PHG Radio.
different the
Yeah.
kinds of ducks.
Your be say your local ducks be one when your ducks be from the Maran ducks.
The end ducks here, if you will feel you.
If you ho,
Okay.
if you ho, your we call it geese.
Okay.
Geese. Your fishes and so.
Okay.
Your quailfish, your catfish, your is a new one we are adding to the family.
And the fish, you know, the means I was not always gravy. Fish and we are not moving to one. I say just story and tourist we know.
It's part of the strategic direction we are going as a business.
Okay, say and Oba.
It's
Oba is the has ya. You said tilapia only young year. The one way you or more.
Well, the long term goal no, is
Show
to
number one
grow this.
review.
Oh, okay.
And then in future, you bet me to become a young guest.
Okay, okay. And now, Mister Mete, you, the Yandiazo. Yandiazo, we are not sana. Apart from we are not them view,
so make about the experiential tour as a package from Sapphire Valley Resort. Our Bahaduma will take you on a tour. You look at all these animals. You bet me quite petty or you can even feed them, and you. I mean, when you see them walking in their natural habitats, now we tell you the characteristics of these animals. You know, Nina Emeniji, and it's a very
Radio for the people of Ekuapem and the people of Ghana.
see these pictures about these animals and how they even live. Wakasanobe relief. Yes. And we have other features like the boat riding. Our bar, you sit on the boat. Your lake.
Oh, nice one.
With me, your canoes. So you sit on the boats and then you can take a boat ride.
Mr. Misa, you should know what I'm going to ask. Where I'm creating.
It's a man-made lake.
Oh, nice one.
It's a man-made lake. Said Ghana Haya Kasa only 2 lakes, a man-made lake and then a natural lake.
Yeah.
Oba Safari Valley Resort that we have made our own lake.
Nice one.
We have made our own lake.
When you said triple any tentem, maybe multimedia. Any tentem now, everything.
BHD, you know my it is you know they are best by finding for you two no more team. I yes you pull also along as a family. Once you are with the family of BHG, you are also part of the Safari Valley.
Mr. Issa, also the owner, you try your mark and if you do as well.
She won't marry me. I hope she's a bit
BHG radio. Okasamu.
I say your body na killer.
Owura, Alex Issa, and I want to encounter HR, our Safari Valley Resource. On the chain, and it's a you say, cast a rich more happen. Again, I had the young captain, so you knew me also. And then I saw a good cast a rich more. He says, I don't want to do Hannah. As a man, I can say, when you have a safari. Yeah, the young people so was sharing with them. Come on, and the Evasan will be Orales, young Jasso. Apart from somewhere where we were doing that here, we can't say before some apart from Lake Nusa well. We can't say before some will be.
Yes, so apart from these ones, we have what we call the farm experience.
Okay.
Farm experience. You. So, Ebusian Eson. Uber Safari, we have almost about 3 different units. And your Safari furnitures, our muye tables and chairs, a Fidima, the resort. And your Safari farms, they also grow vegetables. And the Fidi, the resort. What must say? We also create that experience for people who have never had farm experience before.
Okay.
On say, yeah, if you're warring, I can't tell man. Nobody so when it comes to Survival Valley, so that's part of the promise we give to our guests. So we'll request here, we will take you on the farm experience. We will also take you on the waterfalls experience.
Show number one review.
Waterfalls Safari.
No, waterfalls in the Safari Valley Resort but it's outside the resort. But we will take you and then create.
Waterfalls burning.
It's a waterfall.
Waterfalls now.
It's part we take you to a waterfalls.
Okay.
You enjoy the serene of natural force. I will Ekuapem okay district. I will be experiencing also when you. And then on top of it, you know, so we have the accommodation aspect of our products. You know. We have cabins. Cabins are when you come around, you booking out, you stay in these cabins and have a nice experience, and that is what we call hospitality. Hospitality. Yes.
Okay. And apart from no, say no, all boy you be so. I mean, be say, how ben na sa nyo boss as HR no. How ben na kwesi de ben na eta to was a onyu.
Well, thank you for your question once again. So, about Ekuapema, one of the challenges are, as an HR, you are likely to face is one, the human capital.
Okay.
The human capital in the Ekuapem. I don't know about other industries, not speak vividly for the other industries in the Ekuapem, but to talk about hospitality industry, just as your war, yeah, Ekuapem one say, you know, the one of the challenges we face as a business, you know, is one, the skilled labor force.
Okay.
We have a lot of human resource in the Ekuapem, but we have labor shortages in the Ekuapem.
Okay.
So because we have labor shortages in the Ekuapem, the right people with the right skills, with the right experience for the job are not in the Ekuapem.
Okay.
So oftentimes you have to rely on imported labor force.
Outside.
Yes. Which sometimes you find it difficult.
Okay.
Importing these people is cost.
Sure.
So what we do, you probably me practicing human resources, what I do is I tend to help the local people, and we try to localize some of the positions within the area. No? There are some roles going on. Yes, you can get people, you can train them, but if the people don't have the right philosophy to work, it becomes a challenge. And now, the other challenge I will also say is we face as a business is one, the philosophy of the people.
Okay.
Accepting the business. The philosophy of the people. No?
Yes, you want to for young adwuma be so young Ekuapem for now.
You. So the first one I talked about was the shortage of labor force.
Okay.
Skilled labor force is a huge challenge.
Okay.
Hospitality is an industry where you need people with experience, people with the requisite knowledge. They understand what we call service.
Okay.
And when you come to Ekuapem, those people are not there. So oftentimes you have to import this labor force, which sometimes the people, they feel bitter. They probably may say, oh, we are looking for the job and we are not getting the job. Yes, you are looking for the job, but the question is, do you have the right skills the company is looking for? If you have the right skills the company is looking for, the job is available, and we are open and happy to even work more people than to get people from outside the Ekuapem, because the business is open for the people of Ekuapem. We want more people from Ekuapem to participate, to feel a sense of belonging to the family.
Okay. It's always so you na e ka yo graba. Atiefo. It's a can say bebre, is out as. That's why I say adwuma no. Is you miss skill no. Aye school nkan na o reka ho asem. Maybe I know your artisan. Who can say artisan? Maybe I know what school. Who can say over just the man. Before I ever clear from obedient question about the miss and if you're going. What's it more down about? You know where, but what me answer now? What's the more rooms no prices on here?
Yeah, then they're very affordable.
Okay.
Very affordable. So we have one unit we call the family unit.
Okay.
That one is I usually don't want to talk about the prices because social media handles all of them are all there.
What say? Yeah, fancy what we say the message now all there to go.
Okay, so we have the residential packages and then yes also day guest packages. So the day guest packages, no, I'm touching on it more, and then I'll talk a few about the accommodation packages, no. And then we have other packages like honeymoon packages, safari experience package, where safari experience, you do some nights in Aqua Safari, and then you do some nights in once your two resorts, Ada any say. So you do some nights in Aqua Safari, and then you do some nights in Safari Valley Resort, and then you the safari experience. It's also honeymoon packages. But because I'll stay more and focus more on the day guest. So the day guest packages, you will a package for babies from 0 to 6 years. They free. Yes. And
from 0 to 6 years.
Yes, they free. And from 6 to 12 years, year 250. And you were teens. Teens, you got teens are from 13 to 19. Then year 350. And the rest are all adult, which is 650. So those are the day packages, and then they all come with a meal and then a tour of the resort. On top of it, your recreation activities, baby, when you come, all these are all free. So you bet for come with your kids, let the kids come. In fact, we even love it when these kids, because the children today, are the future clients tomorrow. So they should come and experience the safari even now. They come and see some of the animals like zebras and the Abuembunidi water beasts, Cebu antelopes, and more. And they are very happy. So we encourage the parents to come with these kids to experience this safari experience.
Okay, young social media as view. Obi say, Obi so call more website also na price be 5,400 per night. How is it to?
So no mechanic say you can't residential package and can say some two different packages, the day package and then the residential packages.
But say Obi so dey about say Obi say na wa katri kakramai. Katri o say katri kakramai. The best na wa matri abem.
If you just said we can say me dem here fancy it me combine fancy no the kapem no.
No, I don't the abem. But fancy no cry yanti yes na fancy. So my 5,400.
Yes, my current day packages now. Now I'll also talk a few about the residential packages now. Residential packages you will a unit and a family unit. The family unit contains or accommodates 4 people in a room. It's and only 5,409.
And your family?
Yes.
For
4 people.
Okay. This family does it.
Once you are 4, you qualify to be. I mean,
it is another room.
Say
for that room.
Say hotel policies. More than the number. We will look at it. That is for the cabin. And then we also have the 9,000 Ghana cedis. And then we also have 27,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah. So those ones, 3-in-1 accommodations, and then we have single units.
Show number 1 radio.
Mr. Samba, na we can say we are discussing money at the was What's the crazy to them?
Say, Uber survival results are a year more or mobile home, the whole contest to it. When it comes to security,
Okay.
we are number one.
Okay.
From when you check in to when you check out. We'll be home security patrols I think actually every minute behind you probably may see a security officer patrolling around the resort. So security there yes for security.
To move,
For now and for God being so good for now we've not experienced any attack or whatsoever. And like I say, we are supported by the Ghana Police
Okay.
Service, and then also all the people of the Clapham. Yes. So for that one, yes, we are very
Okay, let me say you sometimes in paper, you know, who be a bit says, what you want live band entertainment, more entertainment to them also.
for
Yeah,
entertainment.
what me for artists, but on ya they, but you want to live band. No, so to them,
For live band and those activities, the yes, we permit it only when you have a business there.
Okay.
Only
And
when
my
you have a
cousin
business.
said that this will be bar not be in business or the bar be in business. Then my cousin said that more live band than the other. In fact, detailing about.
We have various ways of entertaining guests.
Okay.
So live band inquiring the only way to entertain guests. So we have varieties of ways of entertaining guests. Which live band is one of them.
Okay.
So but I'm saying we play live band.
Okay.
But it's not always say we are playing live band because we also try to maintain guest privacy and then the quiet and serene nature of the place. No, but we allow live band if only you have booked a place and then you have a business and we permit you to play the live band, then that's fine.
Okay. Okay. Let me say you. So maybe I say Stone Boy and the one that can be chairman about how we should do videos. I could know and also more than how high one I said to them package be my was you know about.
Like I
So I
said,
say I had to say politicians will be meetings near the wall. With the work you me see. Me say be it in South. Let me say Ghana yo. Or yes can no question. What you know so to them.
we are an organization for business.
Okay.
And our doors are all open for
Okay.
people who want to do business with us.
Jobia, mon pem.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Okay.
so long as you can afford and come to Safari Valley Resort, we are also open to sell.
And the music video no picture come with cost.
Like I said, we are open to business. So long as we have a business relationship.
Do you have cinema over there?
Cinema says saying, but you're waiting my
Cinema be a way you see me or premiere one video be a film new film be about yeah.
We don't have a cinema in Safari Valley Resort. But if you want us to create an experience for you in a cinema or a theater,
We are ready.
We are ready.
Okay.
We are ready, yeah.
Nti sena ntema ebisa mebisa we nyina yi. How do you operate this business?
We are a hospitality industry or hospitality company. So from like the packages we run, we have various ways of running them, which I cannot disclose some of them here.
Okay.
But one key thing I want to emphasize on is the what we call the butler service. The butler service. When it comes to Safari Valley Resorts, one thing you are assured of as an in-house guest is a personalized butler service who personalize your hospitality experience.
Okay.
In Safari Valley Resort.
Okay. Obi so the question be about question friend. Say how much will it cost for me to host an event?
So you can come and you can call us.
Host the event,
yes. So you can call us. We will.
And also, what kind of event will be me? Host one.
We have. You can host. We host varieties of events.
Okay.
From birthdays, weddings, naming ceremonies. Opesa your wedding. we host all these events.
Okay.
We host all these events. Yeah. Just call us, let us know your budget and what you want to do, and then we are open for you.
It means as I go the question in Makasa. Obi abas obi host event bi wo ha oba ya. Na budget na nso anything mo sama no kwa ya na say. Mu scan no ka. Scan kito enu ka mo menko. Mo obi sa ba ma mo timi abona ko. Say bi amena me buy me kura bia. Me kura 2000 but event no mo DJ 3000. Mo je ya na so mo na ko.
Well, not one I can count of, but like I'm saying,
Okay.
we are open
Okay.
for business. So long as you have your budget, we are also open for negotiations.
Okay.
Mm.
Wasugusi awutie BG radio. HR no na wote ne nkano. Maska biya wonya o maska biya so boga so ai so ya. Na ukura biya udua. Se wo ba kesi wo pamo ba. Wo ba kesi wo sa wo ti ba. O buya bra. Enti kasi fa 100 Ghana ko dadi. O 100 Ghana ko asiki di ma wure. Se no di kan kai no. Business no yes what you say. Enti gwa am 2000 ko what you say. 2000 wo ko won san we da won san na. Ora Alex Esa wana out in Kano. HR our Safari Valley resource. Enche bese ya kon hobi o. Bese bisa no ba na ba social media ba na ba. Ono so why crowd say we ni na mai. But HR we me kawo. Betimi o kira wo me kwa nkura betimi se o kira me ba. Me me abusua. Me pe me nkwa me pe me team me. Me abusua e besia. O kabili besi e besia. Na yes. Ya pe 5,400 then. Enti aja kwa we say post di obi so o dia say. Me akoti an komo no so. Ene ye ba ma Safari fo. Ora Alex. Ni mi sa sa boji. You be say se am bidi aba. O say still mu gusu dey get fee na.
But you then get fee.
I say nga odi rest studio ha go mu na go bi gina beta obeje obi kakra so na. First na mo ye.
Yenji get fee.
Okay. I can package bi na.
We call it packages.
And
so
you
subscribe to any of the packages. Send me check. We have day package and then we have residential packages.
Okay.
So the day packages depend on where you fall, you subscribe to it.
Okay.
And then we have the residential packages and also they are also budget best, then you also subscribe to it.
Okay. Indeed.
So
question yes anet mo nye bi kurada.
There be educate fee.
Okay. Indeed. Package no o ba no na o kra ticket na say then na sana.
So person Uber Safari Valley Resort, you can walk in.
Okay.
At the reception, then you pay your package fee. Your 250, 350, 650. So depend on baby how one. Like I said, 7 to 12 years no.
Okay.
250. 250. Then the teens, those within the teens, 13 to 19, 350. And then adults, 650.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. But like I said, we are even encouraging more students to talk. Okay. Because concept now, we are even appreciating the students.
Okay.
The students and the student bodies, corporate organizations should even take it up now. Pushy their people. They should encourage their people to come around and experience the safari.
Okay.
Experience the whole nature experience, no. But you want butterfly what's not be a butterfly abesticisi almost see flowers so normal. They are living in a natural state and you want to understand how these butterflies are even living as a species.
Okay,
Oba Safari Valley, so that we have what we call the butterfly sanctuary.
Okay.
You can sit there and we will even let you know how these butterflies are even pollinating the plants. What they carry, who is the male, who is the female.
Hey,
Uh-huh.
would you want to what's our moon say?
So
Butterfly or
there be so wohwɛ butterfly ne saa kɛkɛ but sɛnea yɛn nso nipa yɛ nam a ɔbaa bɛrima yɛ populate yɛyɛ these animals also have their own culture they also live in. Yɛwɔ mmoa bi te sɛ ɔhu sɛ wohu mmoa bi te sɛ dɔkɔdɔkɔ when they are walking. Meka dɔkɔdɔkɔ a dark
local one.
yes. These animals when they are walking there is always an alpha. Do you know who the alpha of this animal is?
No. Unless you tell me.
Yes. So when you come to Safari Valley Resort, you will see these animals walking.
Okay. Mr. Alex,
and you let you know who is the alpha.
Yeah, no, my date in the time.
We are open, even if you want to come tomorrow.
Show number 1 radio.
And one say what park on the
Radio for the people of Ekuapem and the people of Ghana.
Which is the moment, which my bank transfer, which my card payment. We are just coming.
But maybe how you say you be walk outside Eastern Region and Ekuapem. Obet my booking before answer do
you can do the booking. You can go to our website and then do your booking and then do your payment. Which my booking, but won't you instantly when you get to the resort, then you do your payment. Our officers are out there to take care of you in a very professional and a lovely way. And at the moment, mama, the people of Ekuapem, the people of Eastern Region, and then any qualified person who want to work with Safari Valley Resort as a brand. We are receiving applications from all spheres of life. If you say you have requisite skills, experience, and you have the desire, the passion to work in hospitality industry, this is the opportunity we are giving you. For application, when you come at the entrance of the resort, we have a recruitment desk. We are creating what we call the recruitment desk. For our application, when you come, we will assess you. Once you qualify for any position available within the resort, you are likely to be considered for a job. So yes, we are willing to train people and then make them professional hoteliers. Like I said, one of the main challenge in Ghana and even in Ekuapem is qualified labor force. And we are open to train people, we are open to engage people and give them a career. One thing I always tell people in my profession is don't always just look for a job, look for a career, because your career goes beyond job. Job will end at the age of 60 years, but your career will take you over your 60 years.
Okay, but Miss House, question. Who can team for be as I say from 13 to 19, would you have to 50? And then you also nipa way. You have say mo friend will be any cry. I shall say only 19, only 18 years. And then more the best at what the best at what?
But we have a way of checking to know where for. When I cannot no, I cannot disclose that now, but when you come, we will know that you are this age.
Okay, obviously, this question. You say more football pitch for games.
We have we have a recreation department and a recreation center. And our recreation department, we have a lot of facilities. You will be a fan of Anasikro or a maze garden. It's designed like the spider web. It has one end. Yes, Anasikro. It's an Asintin time. Yeah, it's an Asintin time. And it's a game actually. It's a game of knowledge, a game of wisdom. You enter through one and then you must find your way within the web to exit. By the time you are able to exit, you have learned a lot. The technique of how Anansi captures even other animals into the web. You learn all these things in the and your what we call the golf course. We have a 9-hole golf course where with me Abusia how to play golf. And maybe because interview and somebody asked me, the person was the host said, I didn't know you did golf and was say I felt golf stick. We call it the golf club.
Golf club.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And about ma, you bet you all the basics and the fundamental techniques in playing golf.
Golf. Okay.
Yes, golf is a silence game.
Okay.
And inti only Ghana Hausha escafon one and able.
This company they know what they feel. Okay.
We shall make us escafon one able, but I couldn't have down mama. Come and learn how to play golf.
Okay.
Your basketball court. Do you know basketball? We bounce, we don't throw. We bounce, we don't throw. But before we been out, about basketball said a net ball.
Okay.
Yes, on to yes. You bet you all these basics in playing basketball. Obi will say score, Marshall. Marshall think in football. In basketball, we call it basket.
Basket.
Yes,
basket.
Basket.
Okay.
Then we have what we call the long tennis.
Oh,
Long tennis.
Nice.
Yeah, we say, oh, we table tennis ball. Na me a champion of table tennis. It's long tennis. Long tennis is different from table tennis, and you need to come and experience it to know the difference.
Yeah.
Yes, also table tennis.
Okay.
In fact, the whole resort, me can that we have professional table tennis players.
Oh, okay.
If you come to make a semi campaign, yes, we also have a pool.
Okay.
Which may organize any program around the pool.
Okay.
Because of your birthday. It's open to the public. And then we have a gym.
Okay.
Yeah, your personal parks, come and then build muscles.
Okay.
You go through lots of cardio examination, and then you can really so person has 6 packs at gym.
Okay.
Yes. And then we have other games like archery, your target game say that. You use a bowling alley. Bowling alley is a serious game, and it's a very nice game.
Okay.
Yes, it's a very nice game. So you need to come around and experience it. Yes, also walk games for kids. Canopy walk for kids. Or Honoma, you can come and then allow your kids to explore. Me because wanna put drift them up and then let the children learn by experiencing it. Yes, also a rubber plantation. Around the resort, you can learn how to even tap rubber. You can even learn how to tap rubber, and all these experiences are out there.
Games,
your horse riding, your dummy, you bibia, you open you problem.
Okay.
Your target game,
Okay.
yes, you throw arrow to hit targets and all those things.
Okay.
I mean, the games are your bicycle riding, your horse riding. Just there are a lot of recreational activities about basketball, volleyball, badminton, football. There, yes, we have what we call a monochrome sports stadium.
Okay. Monochrome
sports stadium.
Hey, you're growing in
and then also giving credit to the people of Eklapim. We have labeled most of our facilities by the names of the towns.
Okay.
Into your cabins, the Fenedukrum cabins, Ekropon cabins,
Dewu
cabins, Blue cabins, your Aukugwa cabins.
Okay.
Yes, your Mampong, long tennis, your Kitase, your
Nice,
monochrome
nice.
basketball courts, your Mafe Chapel, your Obosmase conference. I mean, so yes, plenty. We have given credit to the people of Eklapim. So you come and experience it.
So people admire so
Yes. Oh, like I did mention, the Human Resource Department of the resort and the BA Akwenya told Mama Obibia Opese Oye hospitality industry. And I say Opese Safari Valley Resort man. Ye be Akwenya na beto on Mama. There's the time we are doing mass recruitment for now. Nti say uju who say wo nimdie fa ebia aduane no aho obetimi achi bo fruit obetimi achi polo obetimi anu anwamu obetimi aye jollof obetimi aye table settings obetimi aye decorations obetimi aye housekeeping obetimi etumrika obetimi achi enkofo se ne ye bobo unim se bobo kra no ya nchewa hu bo ni boye enkofo be na so be a player, but how to break a football is a technique we need to teach you. So Akwenya better ho no person we recreation attendant unim swimming we obi a unim swimming pa you are willing to teach people how to swim.
Yeah, they
You
say
are
last
willing
time
to,
about already training.
yes, you are willing to teach people even how to ride canoe. Yes, I'm so one idea that can say Ejuma Muyawahe,
Yeah.
piano playing
Okay.
is part of, we've added it to our recreation activities. So we see how to play piano. Just come. Need all these packages to say also subscribe it, say especially with the day package, it comes with fresh squeezed juice. You have a welcome juice, and now could reduce so you have a fresh juice, and it comes with meal, a tour of the resort. All these recreation activities are all free once you subscribe to the package. Eti untia the offer is a gate fee, or the fancy a gate fee. Untia gate fee, now we so as once you pay is inclusive of everything within the resort. The person will be as part of the package.
Obi si mi misa osi, obetimi aba hɔ na ɔbɛ just a wildlife nti ɔbɛyɛ tɔɔ kɛkɛ a ɔnna hɔ ɛno so course no te dɛn.
Yes, and I make a say, okay, package that I explain now. We have what we call the day package, and your monda.
Ɔnna hɔ, okay.
Yes, and your residential packages, or they book to come and sleep there or stay over.
Okay.
So day packages that much we say you for kids,
Okay.
teens, and then adults. It's maybe out for then you plan accordingly.
Okay.
And then we have the residential packages. So, see, we have a better overnight. May have it more experience of the place and so on, and so on. Yeah.
Okay.
Download exclusively ZapNation.net.
What's your time now? About 9:35 pɛpɛɛpɛ. Wasugusi a wotie BAG radio.
You got it.
Ɔkasamu.
We go drop life. We go make high.
Nice you from
We go cut.
Stone Boy. How to wedding say pokeke.
Answer things. You know the
And check where me am so.
give thanks for life. For you.
Supposed to be.
Take them to the
Ora SL. Alice SL.
time and time again. If you fuck
Can I find out what's name for you?
again,
That's where you medina so.
me go come again. I regret me.
Ora SL.
Yeah.
You best say now what can we find out what's now what's that why my summary. If you are watching out for if you
Okay. Can me find out where sir. A crap the museum pa. It's yeah, mon church and pepper. So can me find out where sir. They can say Safari Valley Resort we are open for business, both local, international. OBPR come and then have experience of the place. Yeah, comfort tidy hearsay, and I say. You can actually also walk in and even do enquiries for yourself, knowing your first-hand information. Then you can plan accordingly. We are like Mr. Kabim said, the people of Ekuapem, the people of Eastern region, the Aquanian say the business will work. Until we are receiving applications into all our departments.
Okay.
So would you say now per Juma now person we hospitality industry Aquanian an opportunity bring your application. Yeah, so now you qualify.
So we move yes can be
definitely schedule ana no agent bia say omobi edu anim ajuska wajuska free walk in bring your application na you consider near no nyadwuma na the message account say yes business no abama Ekuapem for nyina abama Ghana for nyina abama Eastern region for nyina. Now the only thing we will need is the support from the people of Ekuapem, support from the people of Eastern region.
Show number one radio.
Best say workers wise, logistics, even per direction to Safari. Yet me Safari workers na me jina no kwa directions. Yes, there are sometimes your signboard near that the question honoma direction, but people sometimes are driving the direction no more corner. It's only when they ask. And the best say yes, people should just give courtesy to some of these people who come around. No more directions near there. Help them. And now, secondly, so the workers who we bring in to assist in our operations, no so mobile, not accommodation. we now go around looking for accommodation. I am home. If you say, Utu Kwan Kobe Mars now, you may be
BAG Radio.
very, very challenging. I am more supportive of one, so normal to me, into me assimilate so well in the community, in the culture. A crapping for my mom, running or my money out, or more ye. To say, I hope we see in the band, my mom, and you know, HIV to me from the business perspective. So, I want to behind my most one job fail so. Say, which many beka, maybe or year Juma, a never be praised so. The reception after work and
BHG
the
Radio.
reception. It's yeah, all the good reception at the work, but Obefina said the reception outside the work, and your pleasant. It's informed their decision whether to stay or to leave. And now, or mine so dear, you are whole teacher. It's more ye workers no. Na omba munye baby it's na my and I feel so mo ye wo mo bebree e wo survival valley resort a e bebree na so nye indigenous animals.
Okay.
Ye hu say nansen go first start ye hunting. Eba around the terrains of the resort. Yes. Ye pamucho mo gunshot and all those things make the animals very radical because they feel threatened and they want to run for their life. Abomofo na hunting eba around the Safari Valley stretches and then around your premises no. Your best mo. And one people now they can focus on those ones. Ebia na yabo bi apie na wakofa ne say oyiru mabo no abonto no akunu. Yehu a we will take legal actions against you. But before we even do that, that's why we are appealing to the local community. Now, why to protect the wildlife there. And more a year. Now we need to protect and preserve the life of these animals. Wildlife units for now have a report say the next 20 to 30 years there are lots of animals and we will never see them on the surface of this earth again because we have to protect these species for the next generation that are coming. Since you are power one sign, but you one sign, you don't know Safari Valley Resort. People travel to yes, this one sign in OU and these people. So please, you better abomofoni chow. You better kromafoni nyina chow. Oma edura na adua no mo ye hunting around those areas. Yes, the pom chow. Yes, so omo tina focus on other places for hunting. But mo go no kwa ubekunu no na onye aboa worry enye se worry mpo onye aboa oye wild me fan say onye aboa oye kwayem aboa but wabekunu na odi abakrom ibe abeton ana witwa enne ma oye bomofo debi yes you say the people of Ekrapim omomwaye na ye protect the animals also have a right to live. We are abusing the right of these animals. You are abusing Ache. This is the time we have to protect the life of these animals.
Okay, Miss South question na in Chaso. Talent hunt. Season 4 but more than the headline sponsors. Then we work for
BHG Studios and Safari Valley Resort. Now, Yabefa and Yokofebi. I mean, across B2B, we are helping each other. Zelfa says Yabe and that is one of the visions of the business. Say yes, so by virtue of the business in the Ekrapim, all other businesses around the Ekrapim should also flourish. In Tikakedia, you also able to me the small businesses to flourish now. Yes, we are giving sponsorship to BHG Studios in organizing Kids Talent Hunts 2023. Yes, we are supporting them heavily, and I say you support them heavily. So We also ensure say the being here in organizing this, we say no, we will meet them halfway to make it a success. We are interested in the talents.
Okay.
We are interested in the talents they come up with. Maybe by Prince on the beat. I know what talented kid show so in other seasons. So the kids did so well. And like I'm saying, HR, from the HR perspective, I'm telling you on authority say the next 10 years ahead of us now, society will not be growing on job. Society will be growing on talent.
Okay.
Will be say Kwame Eugene more this Kiddy, Stoneboy, this Black Sherif, Wow, and all these people, they are going to push the other industries in the next 10 years. So these people are building talents, and their BHG studios so is helping the people who ideally will not even know say they have talents. They are helping to nurture, identify, and then nurture these talents, and it's a good thing. So as part of our corporate social responsibility as a brand, we are also helping and supporting them bring this kids talent hunting into reality.
Okay.
So we are happy to be part of it. Thank you.
Okay. Manager, HR, what's your food?
To my final one in chair back in chair papa and more thing come me my missy corny or whatever. Oh no, me fresh boy am tea. Oh no, my granny yama missy check a sepa and commano. If all my check a seba kupa comma, madam be whatever.
Madam Budding.
Well, me Monday, but I bought the Jumano, the CEO of Babs Ventures. Also, she is into chocolate and ice creams, yogurt and all that. Or church and food. Yes. Now, and Chaba Koson Koma, Miami manager, Nana Sasichima, on a general manager for Safari Valley Resort, and then my boss, Papa, Mr. Samora, on the group COO for the Safari Group, and then chance on Koma, all Safari workers are what Safari Nina, Omo Pemasem, Michelle Bibia, and Jack is a common Munina, no say humanity. Okay,
now, who contact be our Nippon Pesor Ritual, and I say, Pesor Richie Safari, over Tim Diatuba.
Yes, so if you want to reach the HR department of the resort, yes, you can call us on 059 69 10 500. Yes. 059 69 10 500.
Indeed, a dear Alice Issel, and I'm not in HR Safari Valley Resort. Money already you go play. Ukraka came with me apple. But the middle channel of a so baby. What am I going to and the first segment to know very now back can some be actually my young one so I was when you get to the I get to know grown church and I do you get to the then just what's in a package was all that but you have good grass when you alright so you know what's papa so I'm kind
Major Papa, Comanchana,
a
big problem, almost never made any depa. I am chefs in na war as a five Belinda. Okay.
Belinda. Belinda.